Yo, come to me and dismount. Come to me and dismount. Face southeast, face southeast. Spread northeast, southwest. Spread northeast, southwest. Mad as fuck, you can continue gathering now. There's spread for now. Don't do
Nakamute si
anything.
Modest pa ka.
Okay.
Tumakab.
Food up, food up, food up. OC now, OC now, OC now, OC now, OC now. Yo, hold. Okay, start going to their backline. Start brawling their backline. Keep rolling. Brawl their backline, boys. Go to their backline, southeast. Yo, Qs and Ws on this bird.
You have clap. Perma.
Yeah. Keep rolling. If you need heals, go middle. Can you drop Judy's middle? I'm lagging so bad. Can you drop Judy's? Keep fighting. Keep finishing the healers. Target the healers. Keep finishing the healers. Are we winning? Keep finishing the healers. Yeah. Yo, look at their perma. If you need heals, come to the Judy middle. Yo, look for low targets. Okay, nice. Keep finishing the low targets. Finish yung bird yung perma. Keep finishing. Nice. Now spread and kill the healer. Let's spread and kill their healer. Focus their healer. If you need heals, go to the Judy. Keep fighting. Madaspak, are you okay? Keep fighting.
I'm here with Mataspak.
Okay. Keep finishing the low targets. Good job, boys.